Hello, Brian with Jeffrey Auto Repair here. What should you expect when you have your car repaired or service done? That's a great question. Let's find out. Come on in with me. It starts with a friendly greeting in person or phone call. We will want to know as much as possible about your needs. Are you experiencing issues with the vehicle, or is it time for oil service and/or maintenance? Also, we'll need your personal information, phone number, email, address, and very important, best way and best time to contact you. Your vehicle info, license plate, if available, helps us identify the vehicle and speeds up our process. We definitely ask questions. More if we haven't ever seen your vehicle, and these can be how you use the vehicle, how long have you owned the vehicle, do you like this model, how long do you plan on keeping the vehicle? Even more questions if you're experiencing running or driving issues. The short version is we want to know what you and the car are doing so we can duplicate the concern and pinpoint the cause to be able to repair it. We have a vehicle form at www.jeffreyrepair.com. And you can fill that out, and that will certainly help us with your needs. Once we have your car on site, we'll identify the car and all of its build options. One of our technicians will take some photos of the outside and perform our inspection. They'll check your lights, horn, and take it for a test drive. The test drive is very important. This allows us to feel how the car drives, notice anything abnormal, and if needed, we can experience any concerns you may have. Next, our technician will perform the multi-point safety inspection. Take pictures and videos of the current condition of the vehicle, tires, brakes, fluids, anything we can see visually. This enables you to see through the eyes of a technician, showing the various systems and if any items need attention now or in the future. The service advisor will actually send you the same report and allow you to see it. You'll get it by email and text, give you time to review it, and then contact you to go over our findings. After that, you're informed of the current condition of your vehicle, and we'll certainly help you with how to proceed on any repairs and maintenance. Thank you.